One plastic bag. Isatou Ceesay and the Recycling Woman of Gambia by Miranda Paul, illustrated by Elizabeth Zunan. Najou, Gambia. Isatou walks with her chin frozen. Fat raindrops pelter her bare arms. Her face hides in the shadow of a palm leaf basket, and her neck stings with every step. Warm scents of burning wood and bubbling peanut stew drift past. Her village is close now. She lifts her nose to catch a smell. The basket tips. One fruit tumbles, then two, then 10. The basket breaks. Isatou kicks the dirt. Something silky dances past her eyes, softening her anger. It moves like a flag, flapping in the wind, and settles under a tamarind tree. Isatou slides the strange fabric through her fingers, and discovers it can carry things. Inside, she gathers her fruit in the bag. The basket is useless. She drops it knowing it will crumble and mix back in with the dirt. Four goats greet Isatou at Grandmother Muhammad's as Grandmother Muhammad emerges from her kitchen hut. Hurry in before the rain soaks your beautiful mububa. Isatou scurries in, and Grandmother serves spicy rice and fish. Rain drops on the creaking aluminum roof. I broke your basket, Isatou confesses, but I found this. Plastic. Grandmother frowns. There's more in the city. Day after day, Isatou watches neighbors tote their things in bright blue or black plastic bags. Children slurp water in wanju from the tiny holes poked in the clear bags. Market trays fill with minties wrapped in rainbows of plastic. The colors are beautiful, she thinks. She swings her bag high. The handle breaks. One paper escapes, then two, then 10. Isatou shakes sand off her papers. Another plastic bag floats by, and she tucks her things inside. The torn bag is useless now. She drops it to the dirt as everyone does. There's nowhere else to put it. Day after day, the bag she dropped is still there. One plastic bag becomes 2, then 10, then 100. Plastic isn't beautiful anymore, she thinks. Her feet step down a cleaner path, and the thought floats away. Years pass, and Isatou grows into a woman. She barely notices the ugliness growing around her, until the ugliness finds its way to her. Isatou hears a goat crying and hurries towards Grandmother's house. Why is the goat tied up there? Where are the other goats? Inside, the butcher is speaking in a low voice. Many goats have been eating these, he says. The bags twist around their insides, and the animals cannot survive. Now 3 of you goats and so many other goats in the village have died. Grandmother Muhammad's beautiful shoulders sag. Isatou must be strong and do something. But what? Isatou's feet lead her to the old ugly road. A pile of garbage stands as wide as Grandmother's cooking hut. Mosquitoes swarm near the dirty pools of water alongside the pile. Smoke floats from the burning plastic strings. Her nose and stings her nose. Her feet back away. Goats scamper past. They forage through the trash for food. Her feet stop. She knows too much to ignore it now. Holding her breath, she plucks one plastic bag from the pile. Then 2, then 10, then 100. What can we do? Isatu asks her friends. Let's wash them, says Fatima. Fatim, pulling out omo soap. Miriam grabs a bucket, and Insha fetches water from the well. Peggy finds clothespins, and they clip the wash bags on the line. As the bags dry, Isatu watches her sister crochet. Can you teach me? Wah! Yes. Her sister shows Isatu the stitches, then hands her a metal tool. Isatu's fingers are busy themselves. In, out, around. Drift. Thank you. Isatu finds a broomstick and carves her own tools from its wood. What's that for? Fetterman asks. Isatu pauses. She and Peggy have an idea. But where their friends think it's crazy, will the idea even work? Nervously, she explains the plan. One friend agrees to help, then 2, then 5. The women cut bags into strips and roll them into spools of plastic thread. Before long, they teach themselves how to crochet with this thread. Nakiligibi, asked grandmother. How is the work? Nakadia, enters Isatu. Slow. Some people in the village laugh at us. Others call us dirty. But I believe that what we're doing is good. The women crochet by candlelight, away from those who mock them. Until a morning comes when they no longer have to work in secret. Fingers sore and blistered, Isatu hauls the recycled purses into the city. One person laughs at her, then 2, then 10, then... One woman lays Dalasi coins on the table. She chooses a purse and shows it to one friend, then 2, then 10. Soon, everyone wants one. Isatu fills her own purse with Dalsi. She zips it shut and rides home to tell grandmother that she made enough money to buy a new goat. When she passes by the pile of rubbish, she smiles because it's smaller now. She tells herself one day it will be gone and my home will be beautiful. And one day, it was.